Yeah, pare. Hala ka, BBM. Magpa-file na kami ng impeachment laban sa'yo. Andito kami ngayon sa House of Representatives kasama ang mga bigating politiko ng Pilipinas. Kasama si Chavit, Mike Defensor, si Atty. Topacio, at papatanggal namin ng ulo ng korupsyon dito sa ating bansa. Alright, andito na kami sa loob ng Secretary General's Office ng House of Representatives. Kanina, naunang nag-file yung mga bayan block ng kanilang impeachment complaint. Kaso nga lang hindi tinanggap dahil daw wala si SecGen dito. Pero sir, tapos ng lunch break, bumalik ka na dito at tanggapin mo na ang aming complaint. Hindi mo pwedeng tanggihan ang complaint namin dahil ministerial duty mo yan. Wala kang discretion na mag-decline na tumanggap ng aming complaint. Hindi pwedeng hindi tanggapin ang ating complaint dahil kapag hindi tinanggap ngayong araw na ito, ang gagawin nila ay i-forestall nila ang complaint na to at pagbibigyan nila, palusutin nila yung walang kwentang complaint na ipinasa earlier. Ito yung pinaka-substantive na complaint na ipinasa so far dahil ito ang pinaghirapan ng mga bigating mga legal minds and politicians sa Pilipinas. Hindi katulad ng mga complaint na unang ipinasa na 4 pages lamang at halata lamang na ginawa para i-forestall yung mga substantive complaint na katulad nito.
44-page complaint.
I am not arguing, sir.
Okay.
I am not arguing.
Thank you.
I am not even raising my voice. I'm just manifesting. I do not have the authority to receive.
Yeah, but
Attorney,
what is your
even
basis?
the office ka na.
Yes, if I cannot, and pababa din, wala din.
Can you assure us na wala kayong gagawin to block our filing when we return on Monday? Like
Pag nandito na yan, sige.
impeachment complaint that you already received.
Obviously, sir, that is not within my...
Yeah, hindi siya yan.
It's not my office, sir.
Ang tanong lang, so number 1, you're not authorized. Number 2, the office is not authorized. Number 3, sabi mo si Attorney De Jesus was allowed because nandito Secretary Garafil. Okay, and then ang tinatanong ni Attorney lang is on what basis? Kasi constitutionally the office, not the person. So, ang authority na tinatanong ni Congressman Jing, SecGen ba ang may instruction?
No.
Ano ang basis
Hindi
nyo?
pwede yung ginagawa nyo.
Ano ang basis mo kanino? What is...
For the meantime, I'm making a proper, even if you don't receive, by law we can proper the complaint and all the annexes, and that is legal. If you will not receive, that is deemed legally received by law.
We tendered it
Tender.
to you.
We are proppering and tendering it
Our complaint.
in under and by virtue.
heading towards the exits. Having tendered the complaint dito sa Office of the Secretary General na tumanggi, natanggapin ng complaint laban kay BBM impeachment. Well, dapat required yung deputy na tumanggap kung absent yung Secretary General, right? Dahil paraan nila yan para mapalusot yung 4 pages na walang kwenta na na-file nung Monday para pigilan ang substantive na complaint na ipa-file laban kay BBM.